Hi, welcome back to DivineTimesTwo, where we love to share delicious recipes, hauls, and sometimes reviews on products we think you'll like and or find useful. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am making 2 chicken and vegetable pies. One made with our cream of chicken using whole milk, and the other pie made with cream of chicken using almond milk. I will link our cream of chicken video at the end of this one. These pies are savory, delicious, and comforting. I am excited to show you this recipe, so let's get started. Since I am going to make 2 versions of chicken and vegetable pie, I will need 2 cups diced carrots, 2 cups green peas, I am using frozen green peas, 4 cups diced chicken, I am using 2 cups dark meat and 2 cups white meat, 1 jar of cream of chicken, 16 ounces. I had a little over 16 ounces, so I will be using that too. For each pie, I will be using other ingredients that I will show you while I am cooking. It may sound confusing now, but I will show you how to make each pie step by step. You will also need 4 pie crusts. If making 1 pie, you will need 2 pie crusts. I've added a little olive oil to the pan. And now I'm going to add 1 cup chopped onions. I'm also going to add 1 cup carrots. The first chicken and vegetable pie will be made with cream of chicken almond milk version. So I'm going to cook this until the onions are translucent. The onions are translucent. I cooked it for about 7 minutes on medium heat. Now I'm adding 4 cloves of minced garlic. Cook that for about a minute. Smells amazing. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, half a teaspoon salt, half a tablespoon garlic powder, half a tablespoon onion powder. The poultry seasoning smells so good. Now I'm going to add chicken. 2 cups of chicken, 1 cup of green peas. Stir. Smells amazing. At this time, I'm going to preheat my oven at 350 degrees. All right, now for the cream of chicken. I've also added what was in the pint. And now I'm just going to heat this through and then set aside. It's time to assemble the pie. I am using homemade pie crust, but you may use store-bought pie crust. This is a 9-inch pie dish. Now to place the top crust on this. This looks beautiful. The reasons I cut out hearts on the top pie crust is to let me know that this chicken and vegetable pie is the one made with almond milk cream of chicken, and because it gives it a nice presentation. While you are assembling the pie, keep in mind that this is a homemade pie, not a store-bought pie. It will be rough around the edges, but it will still look amazing, and everyone will appreciate a homemade, made with love chicken and vegetable pie. I've beaten 1 egg and I'm brushing the crust with it. The egg will give it a nice golden color. All right, this pie is ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. And I am going to bake it on a baking pan lined with aluminum foil, just in case it spills. Okay, that's the first pie. Let it rest for 15 minutes before cutting into it. This one is going to be made with the cream of chicken soup that has milk. Medium heat, and to this I'm going to add 1 onion, large chopped onion, 1 cup of carrots. I am going to cook this for about 7 minutes or until the onions are translucent. They have a nice color to them too. I did add a little olive oil to the pot before I added the onions. All right, the onions and the carrots are ready. They do have some color to it, the onions. Now I'm going to add 4 minced garlic cloves. Now I'm going to add the seasonings. 1 teaspoon poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ tablespoon of garlic powder, ½ tablespoon onion powder. It never fails. When that poultry seasoning hits that heat, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could be here to smell this. Okay, now I'm going to add the chicken. 2 cups of chicken, white meat and dark meat. And the green peas, 1 cup. Stir. At this time, I am going to lower the heat. It's too high. It's now at low. Now for the cream of chicken. This is the one that has the milk, the whole milk. And I'm going to also add what's in the pint. I'm going to stir this well and heat it through. It takes about a couple of minutes. That's looking good already. Pretty colors of green and orange. This is ready now to assemble the pie. I like to fold the top crust over the bottom crust. The crust is so delicious. I don't like to cut any of it off. I am going to put it on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. I'm baking it at 350 degrees for 1 hour. let the pie rest for 15 minutes before cutting into it. Both of these versions of chicken and vegetable pie are wonderful. They are full of flavor and oh so comforting. From making chicken bone stock to making cream of chicken using the stock to making this wonderful chicken and vegetable pie, I'll tell you, making chicken bone stock is the food that keeps on giving. Hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. I will link the videos to this series at the end of this one. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.